Ever feel like you're running on a hamster wheel, trying to pay bills, save money, and still have enough left over to grab a burger with friends? Here's a better question. What if your money could run itself, like a self-driving car? Yep, you'd be in control, but the heavy lifting, that's all automated. By the way, if you're into videos that help you stress less about money and make smarter financial moves, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I've got a ton of great videos in the works, and you won't want to miss them. Automation isn't just for tech bros, it's for people like us, hustling to stay afloat while still trying to enjoy life. And once you set it up, you'll finally have breathing room to focus on what really matters. Picture this. It's payday. Your rent gets paid. Your savings grow in the background. And you've still got money set aside to order that overpriced sushi tonight, all while you binge Netflix. No stress. No oops, I forgot the electric bill moments. That's the magic of automating your finances. Let me show you how to make it happen. Step 1. Automate your bills. We've all been there. Late payments, those brutal $35 fees, and the constant, did I pay that bill? Anxiety. It's time to stop the madness. Go into your bank app, scroll to autopay settings, and link your recurring bills, rent, utilities, phones, subscriptions. Want to make it foolproof? Set payments for the day after payday. That way you're covered before your money starts mysteriously disappearing into Amazon orders. Here's a pro tip. Use tools like Truebill or Rocket Money to track subscriptions you forgot about. You'd be shocked how much you're spending on random streaming services. Cancel what you don't need with one click. Boom, instant savings. Step 2, pay yourself first. Saving money feels impossible when every dollar has a job, right? Wrong. The trick is to automate it so you don't even feel it. Sign up for a savings app like Chime or Acorns. These geniuses take a slice of your paycheck or round up your spare change and send it straight to savings before you even notice. Start small, 5%, 10%, whatever you can handle. Here's the kicker. That money grows quietly in the background. A year from now, you'll have a rainy day fund, all without lifting a finger. Saving money doesn't have to hurt. It just has to happen automatically. Bonus hack. Want to save for something specific, like a vacation? Set up a second savings account and call it Hawaii Getaway. Watching it grow adds serious motivation. Step 3. Budget like a boss. Budgeting doesn't have to mean living like a monk. The secret is letting technology handle the math. Download YNAB. You need a budget or Mint. These apps track every dollar, show you exactly where your money goes, and send alerts before you overspend. YNAB even has a killer feature where you give every dollar a job. That means your paycheck is divided into categories like rent, groceries, savings, and yes, fun money. Imagine saying yes to Friday night plans without worrying about your checking account screaming for mercy. That's the power of budgeting with automation. Speaking of fun, let's talk about your fun fund. This is a game changer. Automate a small transfer every paycheck into a separate account labeled fun. That's your guilt-free, no excuses money. Whether it's for Taco Tuesdays, concert tickets, or a random road trip, you'll know exactly how much you've got to play with, and when it's gone, you stop. Suddenly, treating yourself doesn't feel irresponsible, it feels planned. Now, some people get skeptical about this automation stuff. I'm broke, they tell us. Well, have you ever wondered why you're broke? Even if you're living paycheck to paycheck, automation can actually increase your liquid cash. If you've automated it, you can't spend your money on all kinds of things you don't need. Start small. Automate $5 into savings. Skip one coffee a week and add $20 to your fun fund. Small wins build momentum. What if I lose track of my money? You won't. Automated systems like these let you see everything in one place. You'll feel more in control, not less. Here's the deal. Automation doesn't just make life easier, it transforms your relationship with money. You'll stop worrying about missing payments. You'll save without feeling it. And best of all, you'll have room for fun without guilt. The real magic? Automation frees you up to focus on the things that actually matter. Like chasing your dreams, building a career, or even just enjoying a stress-free weekend. So here's your challenge. Spend 15 minutes today setting up autopay for your bills, automating savings, and downloading a budgeting app. That's it. Because this year, the only thing better than making money is letting it work for you, automatically.